You're fresh from Green Bay, where they're riding bicycles to practice. It's old school stuff. What was Aaron Rodgers like when you chatted with him?
Resolute. What's interesting, Rich, I'm writing about him for tomorrow, and I'm writing about the Packer offense. But how is it possible that a guy that every year is a top whatever number quarterback in the league, 2, 3, or 4, maybe 1, every single year, and then last year he's 30th in yards per attempt. Last year he's 5 points off his career accuracy. It was just not a good year. And I think I walk away and talking to him, he basically is so resolute. I mean, he's changed his diet. He's come in washboard ab type guy, and he's just a different person physically right now. He's going to eat differently during the season. He said he just wanted to rebuild himself from the ground up, just to make sure that there are no excuses after this year. Rich, you know what's amazing to me?
Go for it.
The Green Bay Packers haven't been in the Super Bowl in 6 years. Think of how talented this team is and how great Aaron Rodgers is and all the weapons he has. But to me, I mean, when Eddie Lacy is 260 or whatever he was, when Jordy Nelson is lost for the season in August, when Randall Cobb is dropping balls, Devontae Adams dropping more, this team went from one of the most precise passing games in football to really one of the 6 or 8 worst, and that's incredible. I mean, it's arguable that Brian Hoyer statistically was as good or better than Aaron Rodgers last year. It's just totally freaky. I think he feels that. Mike McCarthy feels that. And they have to get back to where they were a couple of years ago, and that's going to start with getting Jordy Nelson back.
Well, everybody said, well, what do you think? I know he tweaked his other knee. What do you think?
I mean, look, he tweaked the knee, but I've watched him out there for 2 days. He's not favoring it. He doesn't, and he's saying all the right things. We'll see when he comes out there. But look, there's no hurry. It's July, and so I don't think anybody in Green Bay is concerned that this is going to impact his season.
And does Lacy look more svelte to you? The eye test?
Lacy's not thin, okay, but he surely has lost some weight.
Okay.
The weird thing about Lacy, Rich, is that he just is such a flippant guy. You really wonder, and I left there wondering, I mean, is this really that crucial to his life? I mean, I don't know. That's probably unfair, but you just really wonder how dedicated he is going to be between now and January 1st. Is he going to keep this up? Is he going to be the worker bee that he was in this offseason to get to this point? We'll see. But he's really, really important to their cause because 2 years ago he was one of the best 5, 6, 7 backs in football.
The Rich Eisen Show, weekdays at noon Eastern on Audience.